friends, welcome back to N1 N2 tutorial. I am N1. I know most of the people have seen this. Yes, it's a dictionary. So, most of the students and people use this dictionary in their day-to-day lives. A dictionary is used to find meanings of words that we find difficult to interpret or understand. Most of the students know how to use this dictionary, but today in this video I'll teach you how to use a dictionary and find words in a dictionary very fast and in an easy way. So friends, for your additional information, let me tell you that there are mainly two types of English. One is the American English, which is used in the United States, and the other one is the British English, which is used in the UK or in the United Kingdom. So friends, without dealing further, let's get started. So friends, there are basically two types of English that we use. One is American English, that is used in the US, that is United States, and the other one is the British English, which is used in the UK or the United Kingdom. Okay, so there are a few differences between the American English and the British English. So friends, the differences are in the spellings of the words in English. So, for example, in American English, the word color is written as C-O-L-O-R. See friends. And in the British English, the word color is written as C-O-L-O-U-R. Okay. And in the American English, the word center is written as C-E-N-T-E-R, whereas in British English, it is written as C-E-N-T-R-E. Okay, so let's take another example. The word realize is written as R-E-A-L-I-Z-E in American English, and in British English, it is written as R-E-A-L-I-S-E. But friends, listen. R-E-A-L-I-Z-E, this word realize, the spelling has been provided by Oxford University. Okay. And the next example is analyze, where we have Z, and in this case in British English we have S. In globalize, it is G-L-O-B-A-L-I-Z-E, whereas in British English it is G-L-O-B-A-L-I-S-E, and Oxford has provided us with the spelling G-L-O-B-A-L-I-Z-E. Okay friends, so friends, now I have a dictionary which is Oxford Student Learners Dictionary, and there are basically two types of dictionaries. One with the British spellings, means the spellings provided by Oxford, and another one is American Dictionary, which has the spellings used in the United States. Okay, so for example, we'll search two words, doom and door. Okay friends, so basically, if you open your dictionary and search for words, you can randomly come across the word, or I will teach you a method by which you can find words easily and quickly. So, the word doom. See friends, we have to go in alphabetical order. Okay. So, D-O-O-M. So friends, first we will turn to the D column, where we have words beginning with D. So D, and then we have O. Okay friends, see the next alphabet, O. So D and O. D-O, and now we have to go D-O-O. So D-O-O-C, and then it is M. So wow, we found the word D-O-O-M, doom. See friends, can you see? D-O-O-M, doom. Okay, so the words in the dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. So now we will find door, D-O-O-R. Okay friends, so as I told you, the words are arranged in alphabetical order. You can see that the word door is after the word doom because M comes first in the alphabets. So doom. What is the meaning of doom? See friends, the meaning to this word is given here. Doom means death or terrible event in the future which you cannot avoid. And door, the first meaning is given here. A piece of wood, glass, etc. that you open and close to get in or out of a room. Like we open a door and we close the door. And we use doors are found in a building, car or etc. We open or shut a door or close a door. Okay. See, the next meaning is given here. The entrance to a building, room, car, etc. Okay. Here is also an example of a sentence. I looked through the door and saw her sitting there. Okay. So friends, now let's find the word leave and the word lecture. So first we will turn to the L column. This is I. So L. Now we have to find the second alphabet, which is E. So we have to turn back a little. L-E and A. L-E-A. See friends, leave. The word leave is given here only. Leave. To go away from, SB. It's written, I think so, it means somebody, and STH, which means something. We should leave now if we are going to get there by 8 o'clock. See friends, it's given here. I felt sick in class, so I left the room. And now we have to find lecture. So, see friends, the meaning of leave is also given here. It also means a period of time when you do not go to work. Okay, diplomats working abroad usually get a month's home leave each year. When you get a holiday or when you do not go to work. Okay, and the meaning of lecture. See friends, L-E-A and L-E-C. The alphabet A comes first, so leave is above lecture. Leave is written above lecture. So L-E-C-T-U-R, lecture. The meaning of this word is a lecture on or about something, a talk that is given to a group of people to teach them about a particular subject, especially as a part of a university course. When your teacher explains you something, they are giving a lecture. Okay friends? So friends, this is how we find words from a dictionary. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and share our video and do subscribe our channel N1N2 Tutorial. Thanks for watching.